Hey everybody, we're the Nerds. I'm Jeremy.
I'm Stephanie.
And we're here at Big Kahuna Wings in Knoxville, Tennessee. I love this place. We're going to head inside and grab some wings.
Let's go.
Look at the menu here. The pig fries, loaded potato fries, buffalo chicken fries. There's cheeseburger fries, sound good. You got starters down here. A lot of good options on here. Sliders. Over here you got gourmet burgers. The barbecue slaw burger sounds good. Jalapeno bacon cheddar burger sounds good. House-made salads. And then if you flip it over here on the back side, these are the wings here. Talks about the wings right there, and then you got your traditional boneless, and so it talks about like the seasoning up there and everything. So fire blend seasoning. The wings here are really good. And then here is all the sauces they have. They also have the traditional wings. You get about a pound of Big Kahuna ones. That's like the whole wing there. It's really cool. There's all the sauces right there, and then they have all the flights of sauces. And you can customize flights or get however you want it. So you can substitute items on here for anything if you want, or you can just get your home complete flight if you want to, made how you want with all these good yummy sauces right here. There's our two locations right here. Here's some of the specialty platters and sandwiches right here. And then house-made sides right there, and desserts. I'll tell you that brownie is really good too. Our food has arrived. These are the loaded up fries here that Steph and I are going to share. Got the 12-piece boneless wings that we're going to share as well. So the wings and the fries there loaded look really good. This is our sauce flight. So Steph and I both got the favorites flight, which is the original honey barbecue ranch spicy garlic. And the difference is I got the bacon ranch and Stephanie got the spicy ranch. So that's Stephanie's flight right there. And then my flight right there. Alright, just digging in now. This is one of my favorite wing places. Sorry to do, I love it for gaming here, but the wings are fantastic here. Good seasoning on them. First time trying the bacon ranch is really good. All the sauces here are fantastic. And this garlic sour cream, I think it is.
Yeah.
Amazing. Fries are good. Just everything's top notch.
Yeah, and all these sauces. The spicy garlic is my favorite. The OG is really good, but none of them are bad. I like it.
Yeah, I love this place. All right, so there you have it, Big Kahuna Wings. I've been here several times. I travel out here for work. So that's first time. Yeah. I absolutely love the wings here. Got good seasoning on them, big chunks of like full breast meat, really good. And I love all the sauces. The OG sauce is really good. Had it today. First time trying the bacon ranch, really good. Real strong bacon, but really good if you like bacon ranch. Spicy garlic sauce is really good. The honey barbecue ranch, really good. All this stuff's really good. And I get the fries here before, but never had the loaded fries. Those are really good. And if we were got fries on our own, $4 a piece for fries for side, the loaded's $8.50. So if you're sharing some fries, look at the loaded options. The cheapest was $8.50, which was we had. There's some more expensive ones, but I would consider that for sure. And you going to?
Me?
Oh.
No. I'm trying to get comfortable. I can't.
Oh. And those fries came with something I never had before either, which is a garlic sour cream. So good. 10 out of 10. Love this place.
Yeah. My turn?
Yeah.
It was really good. So he always compared it to Blue Moose in
I love Blue Moose too.
Pigeon Forge, right? Pigeon Forge or Sevierville?
Pigeon Forge, I believe. Yeah.
And I love Blue Moose. They have the best wings, I thought. But here, I've never tried Blue Moose wings without any sauce. Here, I tried them without sauce first, and just on their own, the seasoning. What are you doing, child?
I'm just shocked because she's like something better than Blue Moose that I've eaten at.
The seasoning on the chicken without sauce is hands down. It's delicious. I can't continue with you.
Go.
Okay. So yeah, without the sauce, they're good. I don't like honey barbecue sauce. I always get away from it. Jeremy always gets it. But honey barbecue ranch, I thought I'd give that a try. It is a game changer. It's totally different. It's so good. It tones down that honey barbecue a lot for me, which I'm not a big fan of. And actually, it makes me like honey barbecue. So that was good. The spicy garlic, like you said, everything was just really good. The fries were good. I think I would prefer the fries without all the toppings, just regular fries for me. But other than that, I really like this. I would give it a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
I'd probably give it a 10 out of 10 if I'm being honest.
10 out of 10. Yeah.
I don't know. I'm trying to think. Is it really a 10? Was it a perfect 10?
I love it. I mean, the service is a little bit slow today, but Letty was short-staffed.
Yeah.
But, you know, I've been there so many other times. I know it's normally very fast service. So, like, for me, being here so many times, I know it's very quick usually. They do take a little bit longer to get your food out, but that's because they cook everything fresh to order. So that's to be expected. I'd much rather wait than have
I'll stick with a 9. I'll stick with a 9 for now. I think service was good once we got it, but I think that's what's kind of dropping me down. It took a long time to get a server, but normally the service is very good here. And then the server was fantastic. She was very nice. Yeah, she was really great when
she
got one.
I think she said she had 7 tables right now. They kept giving her more tables.
Yeah.
But this is the Knoxville West location.
Yeah.
There's one in Farragut as well. Never been at Farragut location, but there's 2 locations.
Yeah, I'd come back for sure.
Yep. Awesome. Get you a sauce flight. Those things are cool. It's like a little flight of sauces.
And you definitely can share a sauce flight with 2 people. We got 2 of them. It wasn't necessary. We have 9 sauces that we're taking home. We also got the 12 boneless wings to share. We only ate 4 each, so we're taking 4 home. And half of the fries.
Yep.
So, there's that.
Yep. Alrighty. So that being said, give Big Kahuna Wings a try. You won't regret it. Yeah, that
I'm
the
leaving.
nerds.
I'm leaving.
The nerds are
out.